So it's currently 9:33. Let's get this vlog started. So what's good? So we are back like we never left, but we did. Forgive me for my, I would say, break, right? A healthy break, but a break. Trying to find what works best, right, for me. So you're not just spinning your wheels in circles, right? So it's exciting news. You know, we're going to get into the media side of things. So I'm super excited about that because that's something I really love to do. Being a media agency where, you know, editing for clients, whether that's long form content or short form content, whether that's a podcast or a business, right? It's a passion, right? This is really like what I really do, and I want to take y'all into it, you know, the behind the scenes, and so you might have seen the drone footage, right? That was something I did for a church, right? And that's just basic, right? And I did that for free. You feel me? Just off the strength of our relationship, I did that for free for him. Hit me up and asked me for the video, and he's like, "Hey, so I shot a video for him before, this pastor, right? And I shot a video for him, and he says, "Hey, do you have that drone footage you shot for our church intro?" I'm like, "Let me look." And for me, and for all my the real ones know. It's a certain time frame where certain stuff just get deleted. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's by accident, but sometimes it's on purpose. And that's why, you know, me personally, I charge a storage fee. You feel me? After 90 days, the content is gone. I don't have it anymore. That's your job to keep your content, not mine. You know what I mean? And so, once I send you the files, now we transfer the files, it's yours. And so, long story short, that's why y'all seen that video, right? Just showcasing real, right? Real content, okay? So first we're gonna get into audio, then we're gonna get into camera lenses, then we're gonna ask ourselves this question: what do we need to buy, right? What is the best way for us to produce content where we're comfortable? Because right now, I promise you, like, I'm a little uncomfortable because I ain't did this in a minute, so I'm still going to be working out those kinks, trying to find, I would say, myself again in these YouTube streets. You feel me? But we are going to get active. I do want y'all to get in the comments for your boy. Talk to me. You know what I'm saying? Hey, bro, I need to see this. Hey, I'm dealing with this. Hey, I own an Android. Hey, I own an iPhone. Me, I am an iPhone user, but I would love to dive deep into helping you out if you are an Android user. So we're going to dig into apps, you know what I mean, when it comes to production, if you're using your phone. And it's going to be a good time. So buckle up, you feel me? And go out and create something. The Creative Disciple Mason here. And we out. Peace.